Hello everyone, you're welcome to our channel, and today we are going to discuss Aditya Birla Capital, a stock which is now listed in the share market at 117 rupees. Now this is an amazing share with long-term perspective. Anyone who wants to hold this share for 20 to 30 years down the line for the purpose of investment should definitely consider it. All the parameters are absolutely green. Current price is less than the intrinsic value. The PE ratio is around 25%. It's a good time to enter. Also, there are no red flags. And if we talk about the growth score, it is among the top performers. And there is also low probability of default. Now, it's a mid-cap company with market capitalization of 28,294 crores. If we see the long-term year-on-year growth, 24.4% is what the company has given over the last 1 year. 100% of the analysts have suggested that investors can buy this stock. Aditya Birla Financial Private Limited is a non-banking financial company which is systematically important, registered through RBI for investment purpose. Now, it looks into insurance, asset management, infrastructure project, structured finance, private equity, broking, wealth management, and online money management. So it's a big diversified portfolio. This company itself handles a lot of aspects, and that's why it is definitely a good option for the investors to consider buying this stock. Also, the net income is 1,126 crores. Let us look at the forecast, which is expected to grow with higher returns, and that is quite good. Even if you look at the financials, the income has increased, the total revenue has increased by around 2,000 crores. Also, the earning per share has increased, the net income has increased, the profit before tax has increased. So all the parameters you can see has increased. So the market share has also increased from 6.34% to 19.52%. Very nice. The revenue growth is from 39.73% with the industry average of 11.3%. So it's growing at a very fast pace. Also, if you look at the balance sheet, the total assets is around 1,23,986. If you look at the cash flow is negative as compared to the previous year. Maybe they might have used it for expansion purposes. We'll look into that aspect as well. Let's quickly look at the competition available. It is available at a very good price. If you look at the technical parameters as well, it is definitely better than the competitors. Let's look at the holding. This is very, very important. The total promoter holding is 71%, and there is no pledge. The pledge promoter holding is insignificant. Also, it is part of mutual funds as well. Several mutual fund companies have also taken this as an option in their portfolio. So 17 to 40% upside post, target price of 158. So the market news is also quite positive. There are good positive events. There is no dividend payout by Aditya Birla Company. Let's look at some other aspects. Non-deposit taking, systematically important core investment company, registered with RBI. So it is non-deposit taking, systematically important core investment company. So that's something which we should be aware of. Market cap 28,000. The stock PE, return on capital is 8%, return on equity is 8.56. Profit after tax, this is good, 1,631. Earning per share is 6.75. Net profit is good. Daily moving average for the last 200 days, it's 114, and this share is listed in the market now at 117. It is at a good rate. Also, it is down from the 52-week high by 16%. So it could be a good time for you to make a decision to buy this stock. So this gray line is 200-day moving average, and this blue line is the current market price. Okay. So the dividend payout is not there. That's one thing which can be a negative factor for some of the investors. But considering the value what the company is giving and also the rate at which it is growing, it is definitely a good option to consider in your portfolio. Now let's quickly look at the presentation which the company has made. A leading financial service conglomerate. This means there are different services which Aditya Birla Company or Aditya Birla Capital is providing. Protection, that is insurance, investment, financing and advising. Let's see all the businesses. Now this is the performance highlight. Consolidated profit after tax 577 crore, 100% year-on-year growth. Profit guidance 1500 crore. Aspiration to be among the top 100 listed companies in terms of profitability. Active customers 31 million and it is grown by 46%. Good number. Delivery versus target. So this is the lending book, increased by 7%. Total capital which the company holds as of now is 3.7 lakh crore, which is 16% more. So the growth is definitely there. Branches 950, agents and channel partners 2 lakh plus, ecosystem partner 150 and employees 30,000 plus employees. Very nice. So these are the broader segments of Aditya Birla Capital, that is NBFC and housing finance, asset management and life and health insurance. So NBFC retail segment, it gives loan. Also the housing finance sector is into affordable housing. The NBFC net interest margin is 6.24%, up by 100, and housing finance is by 4.21. Strong profit delivery. Similarly in asset management also the margin expansion is there, and in the health insurance and life insurance sector as well. So the Aditya Birla Capital acts as an NBFC, as a housing finance company, as an asset management company, as a life insurance company and health insurance company as well. So this is the financial trend. The return on asset has increased for NBFC, also for housing it has increased, for asset management company it is increasing, life insurance it is increasing, and health it is also in a considerable growth path. Consistent strong performance. The profit is moving at, the revenue is moving at compounded annual growth rate of 17% and profit after tax by 30%. Very good. Also the business-wide profitability is good. And if you look at the financial performance, you can have a look. Profit before tax and consolidated profit after tax. So one ABC platform advantage, the advantage is it provides money solutions for life to build long-term relationship through our customer life stages. It is a unified brand which provides support to business along with single interface to fulfill all the service and transaction needs. Also pan-India network of collated branches allowing to maximize coverage. Large customer ecosystem and analytics provides basis for deepening customer relationship. This provides an opportunity to upsell and cross-sell other products as well. Unified technology, application of technology across the business to grow revenue, reduce cost, build scalable process and create the wow customer experience. So they are using technology, they are using the huge database, a unified brand to consolidate and improve its performance as a company. Ecosystem partners, multi-product partnership with structured approach, talented employees pool with strong domain expertise and mix of experience and youth Okay. Capital allocation, judicial capital allocation towards scalable high return growth opportunities. Let's take a look at the leveraging ecosystem for acquiring customer at scale. So this is how they are trying to improve their customer engagement and broad base their reach to the customers and reach out to bigger market. Data and analytics, if we look the acquisition, the cross-selling and upselling and retention. So in all the sectors, it's quite good number of percentage increase. Also customer acquisition, customer service, customer analytics and value and scalability. Now these are the things which are the prime focus of the company. Obviously, if you want to scale, you need to have good customer service and acquisition strategy. Along with, you need to have a system which analyzes the data, right? And which will add value not only to the customer service but also to the company's profit. Progress on multiple vectors across business. So revenue, customer experience, scalability has increased. Growth momentum in housing finance, asset management, life and health insurance. Let's take a look at the NBFC. So the disbursement momentum is there, improving margins and profitability, focus on retailization and granularity, quality of book and collections, liquidity and balance sheet resilience, new growth engines, change in loan book mix, focusing new disbursements, enhance our offering across customer moments of truth. So individual customers, MSME customers, transformative journey in retail segment. There are new products which are being launched. The returns in retail to deliver return on asset. Also the penetration in tier 2, 3 to 4 is increasing. So the company is reaching out and expanding more in the tier 3 to 4 cities. So plan to expand tier 3-4 location presence to 85% of overall branches. That is a good target. Digital lending platform. So end-to-end online journey through plug and play ecosystem to build help a much leaner operating model in the long term. So digital onboarding, digital underwriting, digitally enabled collections and online disbursal and servicing will be the future. This will definitely lead to large scale acquisition of customers. So it will have a good and a strong balance sheet, low cost of borrowing. The underwriting policy, lending policy and product bundling will definitely have better improvements. This is the expansion strategy with focus on digital ecosystem, leveraging technology across end-to-end lending process. This is the margin improvement over the period of time, quality of book, and this is how different segments of Aditya Birla Capital is being maintained. Let's look at housing finance. Asset management. Insurance, life insurance. Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company. Health insurance. Revenue has increased. Diversified and scale network. Digitally enabled distribution. These are the partners. So value creation at Aditya Birla Health Insurance through differentiated business model, ecosystem development, data and analytics, and going digital through technology. So this is how the customer demographic is being analyzed. Health conscious customers are shortlisted and attracted, and personalized health management services are being provided. So this is where the expansion is being looked into. Differentiator is the wellness is being incentivized, chronic care management, health ecosystem, etc. So this is how the data analytics works and takes care of the customer related information. Other financial services also, there is quite good performance. So our financial service conglomerate meeting the lifetime needs of its customer. So these are the overall verticals into which Aditya Birla Capital works, and that's why this company will definitely be the future. Why? Because all the sectors, all the subsectors in which the company is already invested in has immense potential to grow, right? So for a long-term perspective, this could be a great share to think and putting in your portfolio.